know that sometimes things get very hard. It seems like no one understands. You fasted and prayed, even go to church, and your pastor said things go better.
I don't tire. And firework. Imagine, they say your book is complete, all this thing, do this thing. They say dress is not fine. I beg, look this dressing. No, look it. Am I not okay? No, wait, am I not okay? They are telling me this country is here, I'm tired. No, my person country, no be here. Oh, Tondo! Oh, Tondo! The Poland. Isolated church centers. Hallelujah. I'm hearing artist music. Listen, I need to pass through the 7 hell and descend miracle from the Most High.
Don't worry, Pastor. I will transfer the money.
But the money for the sacrifice. Shit. Go down.